Okay everybody, we got our part here, our new window motor and regulator, and we're going to install it and see if that does the trick. But first, this place is a little bit of a mess, so let's clean up. With the old, in with the new. Alright, it works. That's conclusive enough for me. Let's put it on. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's drop the window in. Good enough. Casualty of war. I think we're all wrapped up. I don't have any parts left to put back, so that's always a good sign. And it looks like our window still works. Good news. There's one more thing I want to do.